The following segment is sponsored by Sargento Cheese. Memorial Day is right around the corner, so if you need any last-minute ingredients, lifestyle expert Meaghan Murphy has us covered. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm lifestyle expert Meaghan Murphy. If you're looking for the perfect ingredient for any last-minute barbecue, backyard grilling, or gathering with friends and family this summer, then look no further than Sargento Creamery Sliced Cheeses. Sargento Creamery Slices come in a variety of classic flavors, including cheddar cheese, baby Swiss, pepper jack, and provolone with natural smoke flavor. The added cream creates an amazing melt and taste that belongs on all your summer grilling recipes. Sargento is a Wisconsin third-generation family-owned company celebrating its 70th anniversary this year, and they're passionate about serving their customers the best real food. So this summer, take any classic meal to the next level by adding amazing melt to your cheeseburger, hot sandwich, or grilled cheese. Visit sargento.com to discover some of the unique cheese-filled recipes perfect for summer grilling, and shop for Sargento Creamery Sliced Natural Cheese wherever you buy your groceries.